In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Roblox account. So I'm going to be showing you how you can permanently delete your account and also how you can temporarily disable your account. So first, just head over to the Roblox website and make sure you're logged into your account. Click on the settings bar in the top right hand side and select settings. Now click on privacy and content restrictions. Scroll down and click on account deactivation and deletion. And next to this option where it says deactivate account, we can click on the deactivate button. Now this is a temporary way to go and delete your account. So if we click on this deactivate button here, it's going to hide your profile so it's no longer visible, but it does mean that you'll be able to return to your account in the future just by signing back into your account, and you'll be able to pick up from where you left off. Now, if you want to permanently delete your account, you'll need to contact the Roblox support team. So you can do this by clicking on the settings bar in the top right hand side, click on help and safety, click on help center, and in the search box type in delete account and press enter. Click on this one here, how do I deactivate or delete my account? Scroll down until you see the link to the support form and click on this. And then just go and fill out the sections in this form. You'll need to make sure you enter the correct email address. For the device type, you can select either PC or mobile device. Click on the drop down next to help category and then scroll down to I want to delete my account. In the subcategory, select I want to delete my account. And then for the describing your issue, you just need to mention to Roblox that you want to permanently delete your Roblox account forever. And once you've sent this message, you can go and press continue. And typically within about 1 to 2 working days, Roblox will be able to permanently delete your account from the system. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.